when flames are pouring from buildings and people need to be rescued from car wrecks. Port Alberni's fire department prides itself on getting there quickly and saving lives that are on the line. But now, the overwhelming number of calls this department is rushing to are medical aid emergencies due to the opioid crisis, and it's taking its toll on firefighters and response times.
It's certainly taken over as the predominant call type for this department, as is the case with many departments around the province.
The numbers are startling. In 2024, Port Alberni Fire responded to 46 structure fires, 150 MVIs, and an overwhelming 1,847 medical aid first responder calls, stabilizing patients and giving them first aid until ambulance paramedics could arrive.
So we'll respond to a house, lights and siren, and then we'll leave that house, lights and siren, to respond to the next call.
So Port Alberni Council is taking unprecedented action in this West Coast community, voting this week to reduce the number of medical aid calls this fire department responds to, effective immediately.
We want to make sure that they can and always are available for structure fires as needed, and the amount of medical calls has just, with the significant increases that we've seen, it's starting to be undoable, unfortunately.
So Port Alberni Fire will now only respond to the most serious medical aid calls.
Now we're only responding to what's coded as a purple or a red call. Those are the life-threatening categories of calls.
Port Alberni Mayor Shari Minions is worried that could leave an injured senior waiting hours for an ambulance without any help, and it's why she voted against the reduction in service.
This is just one example of a really tough issue where everyone is trying to do the best they can with the resources that we have available.
The reduction in service isn't expected to save this city much financially, but for the wear and tear on equipment. More importantly, is hoped to preserve the most valuable commodity of all, its people, the firefighters, who are tiring, yet were always willing to answer the call.